Hello, students. A lot of students want to know how to submit a assignment using Canvas and Repl.it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. You're going to go to Repl.it and you're going to find the link at the very top. Okay. You're going to copy this link. Then you're going to go back to Canvas and you're going to find your assignment. So I'm going to find my assignment. You go to Submit Assignment. Click on Submit Assignment. Now at the bottom of the screen, they're going to have different options. You're going to choose website URL. Now paste the Repl.it link that you copied into the section that says website URL. Then click submit. Okay, rewatch this video if it's not clear, and I hope this helps.